things that on the Kyng step.
Yeah. Our nation, you understand?
Yeah. Wine for my baby. Wine for my darling.
Make sure you send a stream for all major platforms. Pause by Negusimara.
Me love it, the way you make your body hard. Turn me on over your body and touch everybody part. The face you make me, I love you, make me happy laugh. Me send it now your heart and it make you happy cock. You sitting tired, so me send it now your jaw. You get it and a charm, me I get it and a bar.
Yeah.
Me go girl, nothing but you no regular.
The way you deal with it, me if you beg your pause.
It happy, slappy when me come through. She a move like an animal, they cut loose. Grab aggressively, she gets so cute. Freaking a bed out the road, she full of class, I enough school. Yeah, she not stop until me bust through. Sitting tight, he never tell me body must bruise. She gon' bruise me body till it not much use.
So me set her in our angle, they will hope to use.
Me love it, the way you make your body hard. Turn me on over your body and touch everybody part. The face you make me, I love you, make me happy laugh. Me send it now your heart and it make you happy cock. You sitting tired, so me send it now your jaw. You get it and a charm, me I get it and a ball. You make me go girl, nothing but you no regular.
The way you deal with it, me if you beg your pause. Go that show that real quick, you understand? Make sure you wanna stream the song. It's Pause by Negusimara. Yes, I might tune, you understand? For the girl them. Yeah, the clean version that me just play a while ago, you understand? Because today is my niece's birthday and me know she should watch the episode. Why she watch the episode there? Because she want me to wear the shirt or she buy give me, you understand? My Funkle shirt. Fun Uncle. See it, I'm showing you. Yes, Funkle, that's me, the fun uncle. Happy birthday, Maddie. You don't know, you understand? I told you I would do it. I did it. I wore the shirt, you understand? Wish my niece a happy birthday. Make sure you wish my niece a happy birthday in the comment section. Happy birthday, Maddie. You understand? M-A-D-D-Y. Happy birthday, Bobby. Whoa. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know the things on the Kyng step. Yo, yeah, man, say, don't know. We talked about the other day. Back to business. You understand? Back to business. The other day, I make some piece of content about RJ and Tavii situation, you understand? And I go to my meticulously scrutinize what I go on. And I say, all right then, yo, you know, we need some proof because the dog said Tavii text him and tell him, say, rrr. You see me? And the dog said, all right then, from Tavii text him, let him start move a certain way, you understand? And I go to and see your brother. I say it multiple times because it was a two-part thing. It was a two-part video. Because the video them did long, so I go to and cutting it off. I'm staying, so all right then, cool. So when I go to my meticulously scrutinize the video, and I say, all right then, yeah man, this look fantastic, but we need proof. It sound fantastic, but we need proof. So I wake up this morning now, and she say, yo, they text them land to my phone. They text them land to my phone. You see me? They text just land to my phone. Me have to send it go a road. This is the proof that we actually needed. This add up, because remember, you know, the dog said the man text him and say, rrr, and him text him again and say, rrr. So, me have the two text them. Wake up and meticulously scrutinize the two text them in my inbox and I say, yo, wow, this is crazy. You understand? This is the proof of war. You understand what I say? So, we're going to discuss it, we're going to talk about it. But first, we're going to play that clip first. You remember that part of the clip here? You remember that clip here? When time my boy there say, rrr, see it here?
People, first things first, before 876 start, Tavii text my phone on FaceTime and say, yo, watching an RJ. You see, this is what I think to me, the kind of make me look on my way, but he never phased me during the show. He must say, if the way how me and him flex and talk to each other, him now want for you to do that on the show. So I say, sir, why you want to make sure we are going on some other man, you want to change how me and you flex? Like, really, brother? He must say, I just sub in the case. So I'm say, alright then, cool. Then, the man send me a next text. Big man think RJ, we are a friend, but Panda show that you're my enemy. I'm going to kick up your bum buckler. Zin, me take that as a joke, right? Me take that as a joke. But me know so by the end of the day, me know him a pre. Like, him not too mean in a serious way, but him a go move kind of wide from me.
Alright, go pause that real quick. Jesus Christ. Man, take a whole 5 minutes to get another story. But anyway, so what I go on now, what would have make this even more believable is if they actually show the text. You see me? Me want to see the text. Me want to see the text. Reason why I want to see the text is because that would have make everybody believe you more. And the G send the text. The G send the text. So crazy. So crazy. The G send the text. And the man say, yo, I'm not really too want to make no more video about Tavii because I'm not prolong argument, which is fine. You know what I mean? Which is fine. Totally fine, my brother. Totally fine. So I responded. I'm going to say, yo, hey, that's a go on. This is dope, but let me know first. Can I create content with this? Or am I for just keep it on the down low? Because if somebody don't want to put out a piece or something, I'm not going to put it out. A summer stay. A summer stay. If him say, yo, Negus, don't put it out, bro. I say, all right, cool, bro, cool. And then probably make content saying, I got proof from reliable sources that A, B, and C happen. But the G say, yo, bro, send it a road. Send it a road. Him never respond typing him, he send a voice notes, but I'm not going to play the voice notes still. I'm not get too deep and I think, I'm not play them game. You know what I'm saying? But the G say, send it a road. So I'm going to send it a road. And we respect that him say him no want to do no more video about Tavii. Him say the only way I do a video about Tavii is if him do a video about him, which is totally fine. So I respect that. And RJ, I give thanks for allowing me to put this on the platform, bro. Because as I say, this is the game changer where everybody are wait upon my general. Everybody are wait upon the game changer. Yeah. Like I didn't even know. Because if you pre the video, you know, if you pre the video have the most views, people has even two of them, even one have less views than the first one. The people them I say, where the text there? The text are gonna be the game changer. And we're gonna change the game right now, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to change the game right now. You understand? Are you ready? Yo! So we're diving that right now. You understand? Alright, we're gonna see what I go on and say now. So as I get up this morning and see the text them. Big up RJ. RJ got some my message, you see me? And send the text them. See the two text them there and the right name there, you understand? Just for show proof, say yo, I don't know, gouting and lighting. So the dog watch the video and the dog say, yo, you know what, bro? You know where him saying at the voice note, yo, you know what, bro? It makes sense what you say. Because people not gonna believe what him say. Say, yo, the man text him, so him swing the proof. Whenever we know so the dog see the video, but him sending the text, show say, yo, him watch the video. And the dog say, yo, see the proof there, bro. Because you're right. People not gonna believe. So him swing the text them. You see me? So, remember in that clip, you know, when the man say, yo, the competition part, when the man say, yo, bro, you know, very competition and, you know what I mean, blah, blah, blah. So, these are the first texts I'm going to show you. And if you meticulously scrutinize the date, this is in a March. You see me? This is a March. So, him this say in the clip, in the video I do, say, yo, here what? Before the competition start, him text him. And this is why him text him, say, yo, RJ, you know, me and you are brother in this. But when it comes to this competition, we are a friend. But when this is all done, we nothing make this come between we. Your date, my brother. I don't know how to talk. Your date. But yeah, may the best comedian win. Still, I got kick you in your face. You understand? Well, you know, maybe me and my friend group different. You see me? I've been around people who love compete. You see me? And sometimes competition get the best of them. You understand? I don't want to run about them for compete with. Me, this is me personally. People and them friend group different. I've been around people who compete so much, them lose sight of the friendship. Them lose sight of the friendship and the competition they lead to a whole heap of other things. And I've been burned by people, by friends who are silently competing with me. I can appreciate this. At least him was, you know, at least him was upfront with it. He wasn't silently competing. This is competition at the loudest decibel. You understand? So I can appreciate this. But me personally, I don't like compete with friend. Competition is going to always come about, of course. And even if I'm in a competition like this, and we have to compete against one another, we're going to compete. But I'm not going to make it my duty if you text you and say, yo, brother, no, bro. Because at the end of the day, see if me and you are content creator, me are bridging, and me win the money there, brother. Trust me. At the two of you are going to get new equipment, the two of you are going to get this, and the two of you are going to get that. As I say already, but there are a whole heap of niggas will love compete and then make competition get the best of them. And everybody can manage this competition thing. Because sometimes when you lose, you take it to heart. Some of them like compete with certain people. You understand? So remember, these are the first text for him send. When RJ talk about, the man say, her. So if you come in at the bus, Tavii, and RJ not really to give the reception where you want, what was the problem in the first place? Because in your live, in your live, you said, not even RJ did a 2 meds me. A lie? And a lie, brother. And the truth. So when time the man goes to boom now and no meds you, whose fault is that? You told the man, say, yo, bro, when it comes to the competition, brother, we are not a friend like that. So the dog don't know where you are come with. He don't know your mind state coming into the competition. So him probably just a reserve and keep himself safe in everything, which is totally fine because him don't know your mindset coming into the competition, bro. You see me, Sammy G? You can't too pre the man because of that, my general. That's a total wrong bang, bro. Wrong bang. You see the man never there meds you, bro. But you send a clear message, say, yo, we're not going to deal like how we deal with there, we're doing one thing. And you can't fault the dog. You understand? You can't fault the dog, bro. It's impossible to fault the dog. That the dog goes to man proofs the video and the dog say, you know what, I'm going to swing the proof. You see me? So that I first text message. I remember now another part of the lie, another part of RJ video. Him say, Tavii, they tell him, say, yo, him like, go suck yourself. P word. Suck yourself, P word. Because the man I say, him call him for see if him reach back safe. You see me? And the man say, yo, man text him and say, yo, suck yourself, P word. So, as I said, the dog send the 2 of the text them. You see me? So, him goes to boom now and see there? It's April 17. April 17. Suck yourself, P word. So it look like the dog take it to heart and come out for the competition feeling, you know what I mean? The dog feel, you know what I mean? You see me? So this right there, so, as I say, this validate everything where RJ did I say, bro. It validate everything where RJ did I say. So all of the people that say, yo, RJ, yo, I lie, tell her, whatever, or even a lot of people never say that. Most people that say, oh, they want the proof. See the proof, yeah. Now, as the people who watch the video, what you think about this? Know that you don't have the proof. What you think about this? Because this is everything we needed. This is everything we needed, bro. Because me that hear RJ, I might say, yo, John, it sound good. It sound like a believable story. But what would have sound good, what would have be better, is if you actually swing out the text. And the dog swing out the text and see where you know. So I want to just tell me what I want to think because this look away now upon Tavii. Because you tell the man, say, yo, we not going to deal like how we deal, but when time it done, we are go back to friend. So the dog then in competition, him don't know your frame of mind coming into the competition. So him depend a little reserve, playing it safe, which make total sense, bro. Because I'm not gonna run up in anybody when I gonna show me no love in the competition. You see what I say? Yo, wanna make me know what I'm thinking because I don't know one nation and Imara nation and is a part of the family. So make sure you wanna like, comment, share, hit the notification bell. Everything you wanna need for the help the channel grow because we are grow. And if you don't want to continue to help the channel grow, get more equipment and get them things, just donate to the Cashapp where they in the description box. You understand? A One Nation and a Imara Nation. You understand? Nah, I still look at you now, make up the text just land to my phone that bad like brown bread. You understand? Yo, make sure it's on the bless up. You understand? One Nation. One Nation. One Nation. I'm out.